I'm back, bitches, and today I'm here with my friend. Corpse, come out here before I sell you on eBay. Anyways, I'm sorry for my disappearance. I low-key kind of gave up on this, and I started a new channel, which it will be right on top of Glorp's face, cause he's unimportant.
Oh my gosh, I can finally know it, yeah!
Say bye to him. But yeah, I'm gonna be changing up my content a lot, so more girl tag videos. Yippee! I forgot about that. Yippee! Oh, I forgot to say this in the recording, but I'm gonna be making a Discord server soon, so if you want to join, watch out for that. Also, thank you guys so much for 40 subs. 40 subs to me is insane. Yeah, Merry Christmas, Happy Christmas. It's Christmas somewhere.